Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Production possibilities curves show trade-offs between tasks like mowing lawns and cleaning pools. We will solve this graph problem to find the correct answer. Look at the graph to find the maximum output for each task. The line is straight, which means Peter has a constant opportunity cost for every single lawn he mows. The endpoints show Peter can mow 6 lawns or clean 3 pools in one day. To find the cost of 1 lawn, we simply divide 3 pools by 6 total lawns. That calculation gives exactly 1/2 of a pool per lawn mowed. This constant ratio confirms that option B is the only true statement.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment. Trust the given endpoints and check your steps.